What's going on, everybody? Julian here, J. Lewis Trading, just doing a recap for Wednesday, and we're going to talk about two stocks. First one's going to be CLOV. This is something that I actually participated in today. Couple stocks that I had on watch. This is the one that I pulled the trigger on, and I liked it because there's a lot of short-term bearishness that started right through here. Now, I didn't catch it through here. I did trade it today down here, but you can see that this thing is just stepping down, and making its way towards new lows. And so what actually happened today is that there was a nice gap up over the VWAP here. You could see that it was looking a little bit top heavy. So the idea was, or the question was, what happens if this level right down through here cracks to the downside? Can we get down to 997? Can we get down below that? And so this is what I was watching for, and the real bet was shorting it right out of the gate. And so what you'll actually see happens here is I get short this stock, it breaks down, and it touches this new level. Pardon me. Now, 965 is a previous level of support, so I'm not surprised that it bounced off of here. 961 is actually moving average support on the daily. It's the 100-day simple moving average support level, and price action was just sort of jockeying around there. And you can see that this thing bounced up and retested this level that I was breakdown trading, okay? So you got support, well, it starts here, support, 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 we gap up, I get short, it takes that support level out, it goes back down to a key level on the daily, it rallies back up, and this retest really gave me confirmation that this stock was going to work, and you can see that those levels of support then transitioned into resistance, and price action very slowly floated down, and I actually took this off. It was an intraday trade. I played this only for today, got out of this more or less 3 minutes before the bell, and it wasn't a very big trade considering the other trade that I was looking at. This was optionable, so I did hit this with puts, and I think I had about a week of value on them, and I was trading some nice deltas, and so I ended up doing about 20% on CLOV, and that was a pretty nice trade. Now, the unfortunate truth is, this is what caught my attention first. It was BTU that really put in work today. And this was a nice trade that our community was trading. And you can see that BTU is doing the exact opposite of everything that CLOV was doing. It's just stepping up higher and higher and putting in these new highs. And you can actually see right through here, this high, pretty decent place to want to get long BTU if you didn't want to take that first flag off the 200-day. And so this was a nice play where it broke out, pulled back, and really rallied hard. There were a couple times that I damn near chased this because this also was optionable, and the options on this stock exploded. But I had to wait, and I had to let it go. And the one place that I did like it was right down through here. But in this particular situation, there just wasn't enough potential upside. Ultimately, at the end of the day, I missed an opportunity here, and I definitely missed the breakout and retest right through here at 868. That would have been, in my opinion, the best area to get long. And even if you missed that, just to move off of the 9-day here, and even here. But where I started to watch this thing after I'd gotten into CLOV, it would have been considered a chase, so I didn't do anything. But BTU, huge mover up 24.5% on the underlying stock. On the derivative products, this thing was on fire. If you have any questions, Julian at jlewistrading.com.